Do you really understand the concept of digital marketing? Or maybe you have been hearing digital marketing for a while now and it's seeming very confusing. Welcome to this video. I'm going to be offering you a crash course on digital marketing. So we're going to look at different concepts and ideas about digital marketing, implications and applications. So here's what we're going to be covering. We're going to look at concepts. We're also going to look at digital marketing channels. We're also going to look at online marketing models. We're also going to look at online marketing and traditional marketing. We're going to compare these two channels of digital marketing. And also we're going to look at the opportunities in digital marketing. Also, how do you become the most valuable digital marketer in the room? Then also the best way to learn digital marketing. So by the time we are through with this video, you'll be able to decide first from the standpoint of understanding what digital marketing is, and also you'll be able to decide where to or how to get started with learning and developing digital marketing skills. Hi there, my name is Emmanuel Onyewuchi. I'm the founder and lead trainer of learnvere.com. Welcome to my channel and also welcome to this video. Alright, so before we continue, I would love that you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. So I publish regularly videos related to concept, ideas, skills related to digital marketing, building and growing and scaling business online, and also how you can learn general digital skills that can help you optimize the online space to your own benefit. So turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever I publish new video. If you're watching on Facebook or other social media channel, just subscribe and like the video and engage with the video. Okay, so so let's get started. So before we get started, I would also love that you take notes. So what we are going to discuss here is an in-depth concept. So I would love that you take notes and run with all you're going to be learning in this video. So let's get to the topic for today. Let's dissect digital marketing. Okay, so digital marketing is a very broad term. A lot of people use it a lot, and it's also one case today that is very in demand. So let's first of all understand what this concept is all about. So first of all, what is a digital marketing? And the best way or simplest way to explain digital marketing is marketing plus digital and electronic mediums. So when you combine marketing then plus electronic medium, you have what is known as digital marketing. Now what you need to understand here is that marketing has been out there for ages. We have been doing marketing in various forms, in various medium, but the term digital marketing came as a result of digital advancement and innovation and advancement in computer and digital technologies. But the whole concept of digital marketing simply means marketing plus digital and electronic medium. What this means is that for you to be effective with digital marketing, you need to understand what marketing is all about. Okay, so that is just it. You need to understand what marketing is all about. Now, what is marketing? Now, I'm a marketing student, so if you have been in a marketing class and all that, there are different thought leaders you hear about talking about what marketing is all about, but it's all will boil down to one goal. Okay, but in my own case here, I have two thought leaders that I want to share with you the concept of marketing. This is just for you to have an idea of what marketing is. Now, when you are approaching it from the digital aspect, when you are applying marketing in digital space, you also know the goal, what you are looking at, what you are hoping to achieve through this digital medium. So starting with the first person, which is Kotler. So Kotler is a very high thought leader in terms of marketing. So he defined marketing as human activities directed at satisfying human needs and wants through exchange process. So there's a lot of activities that goes into marketing. Okay, so what Kotler is trying to say here is that all these activities is channeled to the end goal of satisfying human needs and wants. It can be with product, it can be with services. Okay, now if you're an entrepreneur, you will love how Seth Godin defined marketing, which is very interesting. He says marketing is not about shortcut. He says it's not about hustle or deception. He says marketing is the art, okay, and the science of serving the people you seek to serve, to do better work by finding and satisfying needs. He says marketing is the practice of making things better by making better things. So this is actually an entrepreneurial point of view of defining marketing. But in any of these cases, what they are trying to tell you is that marketing is for the customer, is for the end user. It's all about how do you satisfy human needs and wants. So in our own case here, if you are trying to do digital marketing, it's still applicable. Okay, what we change is just how it's being applied. Okay, in this case here, you are going to be applying the same concept of marketing. You're going to be applying it in with through digital and electronic medium. That is just the differences between marketing and digital marketing. Okay, so what about the component of marketing? So there are different components of marketing. One of them is branding. Okay, so this, like, if you go to a business settings, you might have different departments focusing on all this. All of them can be engineered together to reach the end goal of marketing, but they are different. They are different departments. They are different concepts. They are different approach to this. But the end goal of all this is to satisfy human needs. Okay, to create better things for customers and clients. So they are branding, advertising, selling, customer service, analytics, and others. Okay, so these are different things that when you put together, you can achieve that goal called marketing. Okay, so so what are the objectives of marketing? So all the grammars being spoken in terms of defining marketing. What is the objective? Why is it? Why does it exist? Why does the marketing department exist in the business hierarchy of management? Okay, so one of them is to get new customer. The second is to keep the customer, and the third is to grow the customer. Okay, the goal of marketing is to get customer. Okay, that can be achieved through selling. So there are different approach to it. Selling is not just the only goal of marketing. Selling is part of it, but most people look at marketing to be all about selling. So there are different approach to it. Okay, even when you sell, how you retain the customer is part of marketing duty. Okay, so when you look at all this, the objective of marketing department, their objective is to get new customer, is to keep the customer, is to grow the customer. There are different strategies, there are different approach to this. This is actually what every business is looking up to from the marketing department in their businesses. Okay, so these are the concepts. These are a few things I want you to understand about marketing and digital marketing and how they relate. Now let's go into more about digital marketing. Okay, so what are the different models, channels that you can use to apply digital marketing? So one here we have traditional marketing channels. Now the traditional marketing channels include all various electronic medium through which marketing can be applied, but does not work with internet. So the difference between traditional marketing channel and the online marketing channel is that the traditional marketing channel doesn't use internet connection, but the online marketing channel, everything is done with the help of the internet. So everything is done in the internet space and all that. So there are different medium to it. Television is an example of traditional marketing channel. Radio, phone, newsletter, billboard, magazine, and flyers. Now the traditional marketing channel used to be what is in vogue. Okay, before now, for a business to reach more audience with their products and services, they either go to the television station, or they go to the radio station, or they do a phone calling. Okay, phone selling, whereby landline, there is a way they get phone numbers of buildings, house, and people in different locations, and you just hear a salesperson calling you, telling you about their product and services. This is manually how marketing is being done before. Even the digital marketing aspect, this is how it's being done before. Okay, you can also see newspaper. When business want to reach their product or their clients, they seek for the newspaper that their ID customers are likely going to be reading, or magazines. They will buy a slot, they put up their product there. So this is actually how marketing is being done before. This is actually the traditional method. But when the internet came along, everything changed, and it opened a lot of channels for applying marketing. Okay, so when the internet came, we started having website, we started having blog, social media apps started popping, emails too started being in vogue, being used, and all that. And that is actually when digital marketing migrated to the online marketing. So the online marketing channels include website and blog, social media, email, apps, search engine, and the rest. Okay, so these are, when you talk about digital marketing, these are the two major channels digital marketing campaign can be applied. So, but today when people are talking about digital marketing, most times they are referring to the online marketing channels of applying digital marketing. Okay, so that is also like in our own discussions, our focus is more like the online marketing channels of digital marketing. But it's good that you understand these two major digital marketing channel: the traditional marketing channel and the online marketing channel. So taking it further, what are the various models in the online marketing channel? So if you want to do digital marketing in the online space, what are the various models that you need to consider, or what are the various models that you need to understand, okay, to help you really understand the framework, okay, the full concept of online marketing? And here are they. Okay, so one of them is content marketing. This is part of the online marketing channels. Content marketing has to do with creating and distributing valuable and useful and entertaining content, okay, like videos, blog posts, or podcasts and all that. The goal of content marketing is to nurture your customer, attract your customer, add value to them even before you start selling to them. That is actually the goal of content marketing. So it's part of online marketing. It's part of online marketing models in terms of digital marketing. So the next one here is social media marketing, which has to do with optimizing all various social media platforms for the sake of growing your business. It also has to do with, you work with content marketing, you having to post on this platform, educate people there, engage people there, talk about your business on this platform. All this is boils down under social media marketing. Is a major model, okay, in digital marketing. Then we also have search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization has to deal with web platforms, website, blog, e-commerce stores, e-learning platforms. The idea of search engine optimization is that how do you make a website? After building a website, is a different ball game of building a website. Then how do you make this website to be able to appear on search engines? Okay, search engine like Google, Bing, or any other search engine you can think of. How do you make it appear there? How do you index it? How do you make it accessible so that when people are searching for information on search engine, your website is likely to pop out in the search results? That is the goal of search engine result, and is a major model in the online marketing channels for digital marketing. So another thing is search engine marketing. This has to do with paying to reach people on search engine. So you probably might have seen in a situation whereby you are browsing, you are trying to Google stuff, and you see some pop out on the top of your search results with a description of like ads, ads, a little sign showing you that this thing is promoted. So that is the idea about search engine marketing. How do you pay to reach more people on search engine and all that? So that is another model. It's a different segment and model in the online marketing channel. So we also have email marketing. It has to do with how do you collect people's leads, how do you collect people's email contacts, and also how you follow up with communicating with them through emails and all that. That is email marketing. Okay, it's also a major model in the digital marketing space, especially in the online space. Web analytics. Now this is all about understanding your customers' behaviors on your platform, on your tools, or your device. Web analytics is also a big model in terms of online marketing channels. With this, you can be able to know what your customers, your clients, or your traffic, or your web visitors or app visitors are doing. You can also know how you can optimize your platform. You can know what to give them more, what not to do, and what to do. So analytics is very, very powerful. It's one of the tools that has actually revolutionized how marketing is done. Because today you don't just have to do things blindly. You can now do things with data valid decisions. You can make decisions based on data your business is bringing, and analytics is what you can use to gather all this data. Okay, so it's a major model in the online marketing also. Now also you have affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is more like a monetization model in digital marketing, but it's more like how do you sell product that you did not create. Okay, how do you sell other people's products and earn commission from it? So this is also part of online marketing models in terms of digital marketing. Then we also have paid advertising. Now this can vary in different form. Okay, paid advertising has to do with paying to reach other people's platform. Okay, let's say you see that your clients, your potential clients and customers always hang out in a particular place in the online space. It can be social media, it can be on the search engine, it can be anywhere online, it can be in someone's app. Okay, so you having to pay to reach those people, that is the concept of paid advertising. Okay, most social media platforms also have a paid advertising tools to use, but it's a major model. There are different ways you can use it. Is one of the skill sets that you can use to go and scale business. You can use it to reach more people for product and services. So it's a major model in digital marketing, in the online marketing models specifically. Now these are the major models, but there are other topics and the other models are also very relevant and also very important today. So I classify it in other models. Here is where you see automation, mobile marketing, has to do with marketing through mobile apps and all those stuff. Conversion rate optimization, how do you optimize what you are doing, what is not working, how do you improve it, what is working, how do you scale on it. Okay, and also influencer marketing. Okay, how do you build influence and how do you monetize it? These are other different models that you can find in online marketing channels when it comes to digital marketing. So these are different models in digital marketing. Now a lot of people will say, okay, this seems to be very complicated, very broad and all that. And don't worry, I will come to that. I will show you how you can narrow down on this, how you can simplify this and make it easier for you to learn digital marketing. It doesn't have to be complicated. Okay, it doesn't have to be complicated if you are interested in learning this case. Okay, now with all this said, what actually makes online marketing better than traditional marketing? So let's compare these two channels of digital marketing. Okay, so one of them is large audience. So online marketing channels is better than traditional marketing channels in terms of large audience. Okay, before now, if you want to reach people for your product, the place you go is television, radio stations and all that. And the way advertising on those platforms work is that the audience is not really targeted. Okay, and there is limit to amount of people you can reach. Okay, for example, if you want to sell any product on television station, and all you need to do is to probably the strategy there is to actually find a program that appeal to your ideal audience or your ideal customers, and you can buy a space within that so that time frame or period that the program is being aired on the radio or television, you buy a space, and during some breaks your ads will be shown. But the challenge with those kind of advertising is that you are not reaching a targeted audience. You don't even know who you are reaching, and you are not reaching a targeted audience. Your product might be for women, and actually it is men that are watching the program, and you are showing your product mostly to men. And let's say your product is meant for people who are living in a particular country or continent, and you are only showing it to a particular television station that is displaying in a particular state or region. Okay, so the opportunity to reach a lot of people with product or services is very limited then. But in the online space today, okay, your limit is limitless as far as you have access to the internet. With over 5 point something billion people on the internet, you can reach anybody with your services or product once you know how to optimize the necessary tools, and also you have the resources. So in terms of audience, online marketing channels beat traditional marketing channels, okay, to the core, because you can reach more people, you can reach the whole world through the online marketing channel. And for the traditional marketing channel like television, radio, your reach is limited to the location of your television station, to the location of your newspaper, to the locations you can distribute your flyers and all that. Okay, so that is it about the audience. So another way is in targeting. Now, just like I talked about this a little bit on the audience aspect, in the traditional marketing channels, okay, your targeting is not really targeted. Actually, you are just trying to show your ads to everyone. It's just like when you are passing a billboard that is mounted along the road. Everybody is seeing it, both someone who is meant for and who is not meant for, and you are paying for that. Okay, you are paying a fee to put that up, and everybody is just seeing it. Okay, not just your target audience. And this is quite different when it comes to the online marketing channel. In the online marketing channel, advertising platform will give you tools, Okay, you can target people based on demographic data, their age, their gender, their location, and also you can even target people based on their psychographic data. This has to do with their interest, their desire, their goals, what they are doing, their behaviors on platforms and all that. So these details targeting options in online marketing gives you a more robust tools to reach targeted people for your product. In the online space, I can decide that this product is for male child, or this product is for a male gender, it's for a particular age range, it's for people who are living in certain location, and I can just program everything to read that people, saving me a lot of cost in terms of reaching people who are not meant for my product. Okay, so the targeting option in the online marketing is powerful, and that's actually, that makes it a better option in terms of reaching people, okay, compared to the traditional marketing channel, which the targeting is very broad. Okay, so we also have cost effective here. Just like what I'm saying, in the traditional marketing channel, instead of you to reach everybody with your marketing budget, you can on the online marketing channel, you can just reach specific people with your marketing budget. Okay, so this actually will reduce your cost. If you're trying to reach everybody, when you're trying to reach everybody and when you're trying to reach specific target people, your cost is definitely going to reduce. So what is next thing here is engagement. Okay, now also using our billboard as an example in terms of engagement. If you are using the traditional marketing channel to promote your goods, you don't know who is viewing your billboard. You can't have a data to validate that, okay, this person viewed my billboard, these are the volumes of people who have seen this and all those stuff. There is no data to measure all those stuff. But in the online marketing channel, there is a data for it. You can see people engaging in it. In fact, you can even interact with people. Okay, or you can interact with people in your marketing campaign in the online space. Okay, so this actually have a lot of customer validation. You know what is working, you know if your art is your advertising or your marketing campaign are really working. You can evaluate it through the engagement people are having with your marketing campaign. So these are one way again that the online marketing channel is far more better than the traditional marketing channel. Also tracking. Okay, see same thing, you can know what people are doing within your marketing campaign. Let's say you publish a post on social media, you can see when people like it, you can see when people comment. Okay, if you run ads on this platform, you can see the question people are asking, you can see the engagement people are having. If it's a video, you can know people who watched your video, and there is even a room for you to even retarget those people with some other options in terms of paid advertising. So all these things are not present in terms of traditional marketing channel. If you put up a billboard on the roadside, you can just have estimated data of probably people who have seen that billboard, who have watched the video. Just estimate about, okay, let's say you simply use estimated data, numbers of people, certain numbers of people live in this location, so they are likely have seen it, which is not actually valid. So tracking is also one thing that makes online marketing channel more effective than on traditional marketing channel. So the essence of highlighting some of these things that makes online marketing channel to be more effective than traditional marketing channel is for you to see why learning online marketing tools and resources is ideal. Okay, so it's far more better than getting to learn traditional marketing channels. Now there are big companies, big businesses that will also prefer traditional marketing channel. Today they are not just depending only that, they are combining the two. So doing an holistic marketing is also very viable. But if you are starting out, you're a small business, okay, first I recommend you start with online marketing, because it's going to give you more scalability. It's also going to give you easier access to tools and resources. Unlike traditional marketing channels, to put up a billboard or to run ads on TV and radio are likely very expensive, and you likely will not be able to measure your data to know how effective it is and whether to continue or not. Okay, so with all these things said, what are the opportunities that you can have if you start today and you learn digital marketing? What are the opportunities that open out for you? So one of them here is personal branding. So let's say you want to become an influencer, or you have a business that goes with you as the brand. You are the figure, like you are the figure that people are seeing behind everything about that business. So digital marketing can help you grow yourself, brand yourself, project yourself the way you want your audience, your target market to see you. Okay, so that is one thing you can do with the digital skills, digital marketing skills you'll be learning. Another one is to grow and scale and grow and scale your business. So these are the three main phases of business. So maybe you're watching this, you have not even started any business, or you're still having ideas about business to start up. So digital marketing can help you grow a business. It can also help you build the business, can also help you scale it. Let's say you're already running your business and you are thinking of the next phase in your business. Digital marketing can help you scale it. It can help you reach more people, okay? Also turning in more sales and also more profit for your business. So another thing is to work as a freelancer. And this is actually where the gold mine is now, where you have to work independently without being subjected to any work hour and also work location. So freelancers are killing it. There are a lot of things that you can freelance. Now look at all these models. Okay, now look at all these models we mentioned in this digital marketing. So if you have skills in any of this now, if you have skills in any of this model, you can actually offer it as a service to businesses. You can decide to become a content marketing specialist, or social media marketing specialist, or search engine optimization specialist, or email marketing specialist, and you can offer this site. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, where you can go, create gigs, list your services there. Businesses will come hire you. You with your price tag, you guys negotiate, you deliver your service. You don't have to come to their location. It can be from anywhere in the world. So you can work as a freelancer, as a digital marketing expert, okay, if you have skills in any areas or in any models of digital marketing. Also, you can also work in a marketing department of a business. So you can work in a marketing department of a business in different positions based on your specialty in the digital marketing space. Also, you can teach digital marketing. You can create a course or training, you sell it personally, or you can actually publish it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and all that. And you can market it, monetize it by selling it to people who want to learn the skills. So these are different ways you can optimize digital marketing skills, okay? Okay, so how do you become the most valuable digital marketer in the room? Now, this concept comes from the idea that a lot of people see digital marketing to be very broad. Actually, it is. We have seen different models we have highlighted earlier. Now, a lot of people, this kind of scare them away. They say, how am I going to cover all this and actually be good in this? And this is actually where the concept of becoming a T-shaped digital marketer comes in play. Okay. Now, what does the T-shaped digital marketer entails? It means that you can to become the most valuable digital marketer out there. Okay, the idea is to first of all understand the basic concept of all these models we have talked about digital marketing. Okay, then once you have done that, you pick up in a single module and narrow down in it, become an expert in it. Now this is what it means. Let's say you have evaluated your business, you have looked at all the elements in your business, and you see that paid advertising is going to help your business grow. To become a T-shaped digital marketer, okay, what you can do here is to first of all understand all the concept of in these models, understand the concept of content marketing, social media marketing, SEO marketing, email marketing, and all that. After that, you pick up a module, you pick up a specific topic and narrow down, become an expert in it, understand all the concept of digital marketing, then narrow down in one topic, in one subject, and become a specialist in it and become an expert in it. So that is how you can become the most valuable digital marketer in the room. So you need to go to an extent that, okay, when people are looking for a particular, let's say you picked paid advertising as your specialist. When people are looking at paid advertising, who am I going to hire, or who am I going to employ to help me do this very well? They will be looking at you, or you'll be qualified to be able to stand and defend that field. That is actually the goal of becoming valuable as a digital marketer. So the idea here is I don't need to be an expert in all the models in digital marketing, but you need to understand them. Okay, as a digital marketer, whenever any concept is mentioned that relates to all these models here, you should know what it's all about. Even though you are not an expert in it, but you should know what it entails, you know what it's all about. but then you need to have a area you want to specialize and become very, very good in it. That is the idea of about digital marketing. If you approach it this way, you see that digital marketing is not going to be very difficult to embark on or to learn the skills. Okay. Now, apart from this, also apart from the idea that people see digital marketing to be very broad, one of the challenges or one of the questions people also ask is that, how do I learn digital marketing? And I'm going to share with you what my mentor shared with me in 2018. And he said, is just start your own blog. Okay, just start your own blog. You will learn digital marketing. It's very easy. Now, let me tell you how blogging helps you to learn digital marketing. Now, when you decide to go and start a blog is made up of content, written content, and sometimes video content and all that. So when you decide to start a blog, okay, by the process of setting up your blog, you're already doing web development, which can be done today without you even having to touch a line of code. There are content management systems that you can use to develop a website today. But apart from that, also, when you embark in blogging, you start writing content. If you are doing content to publish, if you are writing content to publish on your blog, you're already doing content marketing. Okay, so when you publish content in your blog and you try to optimize and make it to be accessible through search engine. So you want people, when people are searching on Google, when people are asking questions, so you want people when they are searching for stuff online, let your blog appear and let them come to your blog and read it. And the essence of doing that, you have to apply search engine optimization. So in the process of you trying to index and optimize your blog content for people to access it through search engine, you're already doing search engine optimization. Okay, so you might also decide to start collecting leads. You want people to subscribe to your blog, so that whenever you publish new blog, you'll be able to send them updates and all that. Once you start doing that, you're already doing email marketing. Okay, so you might also decide to reach more people so that people can know about your blog. You might decide to use Facebook to run paid ads. You also might decide to start publishing your content on social media so that people will see your content from social media and come to your blog. You are doing social media marketing. So blog is like the focal point in this digital marketing thing. Once you start it, you start getting engaged in different digital marketing models and all that. And at the end, you start developing skills and knowledge about all these elements of digital marketing. So that's why blogging is one of the best tools to learn digital marketing. So I see a lot of people who pay high fees. They go there, sit down for concept. I tell you, regardless of what you hear me recite for you here or explain to you here, if you did not get practical with these skills, you will not learn it. So digital marketing is a practical skills, even though it requires a conceptual class like this for you to understand the concept. For you to really grab and develop the skills, you need to be practical with it. And blogging can help you do that, okay? So that is it. Start a blog, and you'll be surprised at how fast and efficiently you start learning digital marketing skills. Okay, so that is it about this video. That is it, a crash course on digital marketing. Under 40 minutes, I'll break down the concepts and implications and applications of digital marketing. I hope this is very valuable for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, drop it on the comment sections. Also subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. As I publish more videos like this, you have access to it. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.